Okay, so here's another one. We are integrating across the asymptote again. Although this function, because we're squaring this first, we're going to have a vertical asymptote at 2, and we're going to have the vertical asymptote go up from both sides. Okay, so 2 is still the issue. So from -1 to +3, we're going to integrate. Okay, and we're going to get this area and this area. And we don't know if this area along the asymptotes are infinite or finite. We have no idea. Okay, actually we do have an idea, but we're going to integrate this, and I'm going to maybe split this up into 2 different colors. Again, I'm going to do red and green. Okay, so I'm going to do the left side as red. It's going to be the limit as a goes to 2 from the negative side. Okay, and it's going to be the integral of -1 to a, left to right, 1 over x, and I'm just going to put it as 2/3 just to make it a little bit easier to integrate that. And then on the right hand side here, so plus, it's going to be the limit as a approaches 2 from the positive side this time. So we're going to approach that asymptote from this side. And it's going to be from a to 3 and 1 over x minus 2 to the 2/3 dx. Okay, so that's 2/3. Okay, so what do these areas work out to be? Okay, so I'm going to anti-differentiate this, so I get a to the power +1/3. Okay, so I still need my limit. So I get x minus 2 to the power +1/3 divided by 1/3. So I'm going to times by 3. My bounds are from there to there. My antiderivative on this side is exactly the same. So limit as a goes to 2 from the positive side, this becomes 3x minus 2 to the power +1/3. The bounds here are from a, which is 2 on the positive side, to 3. Okay, so plugging this in, I get a is going to 2, so I get 3, 0 to the power 1/3 is 0. I get -1. I get the cube root of -3. So minus the cube root, that's going to be, -1. So the cube root of -3. Okay, so that works out to be the cube root, 3 cube root 3. So working out the negatives, the green side here, I'm going to do the same thing. 3, I'm going to plug my 3 into here. In this case here, I get 3 minus 1 cube root, which is 1. I'm going to plug the 2 into here. A is 2 from the positive side. The cube root of 0 is 0. So I'm going to end up with that. Okay, so did I do this correctly? 3 minus 2. Yeah, that looks right. -1 minus 2. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, so then working that out, this ends up being positive, so +3 cube root 3 plus 3, that would be the net area underneath that curve. And you can see that this area, oops, sorry, I'll write that in green. The green area actually works out to be an area of 3. This area here works out to be 3 cube root 3, which is a little bit more. And that's to do with this little bit extra area on this side.